To mine Shirecoin using our computer CPU, we need mining software. Head on over to SourceForge after searching CPU Miner. Under Project Activity, choose the correct download for you. For Windows 10, I'll choose the Win64 zip file. After download, I'll extract the file. And then I'll reopen my Shirecoin wallet. After clicking the Receive tab, enter a description for your new mining address. Click Create New Receiving Address. Copy this address to your clipboard and open up a program like Notepad++. Paste the wallet address here. Head on over to pool.shirecoin.org. Enter your wallet address and click Start Mining. Copy the command within the yellow background. Paste this command into Notepad++. Copy the folder address where you extracted CPU Miner. Open up a command prompt window. Type cd space and paste in the folder location. Adjust the miner command as demonstrated, and don't forget to add the D in SHA-256. Copy this command and paste it into the command prompt window. Click Enter. Congratulations, you are now mining Shirecoin. After 24 hours, revisit your Shirecoin core wallet. Here you can see your share of 21 plus Shirecoin. The Transaction tab will show you more details on the payments. Copy your wallet address one more time. Head on over to pool.shirecoin.org. Click Wallet and paste in your wallet address. Here you can view all your mining activity on the Shirecoin mining pool. Also acknowledge that we still have 56 Shire outstanding. This will be paid when the corresponding block status is cleared. There you have it. You can now mine Shirecoin using CPU Miner. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to check out our Facebook page for further instructional videos, and bye for now.